Are you ready to absolutely change your life and to get out of this worry about the government's potential war, health, wealth, and all of the things that stress us out? Will a comet hit the planet? Will aliens land? We don't know what tomorrow brings, but I'm going to tell you right now, thousands and thousands of people are done with worrying about things that they are not going to control from this day forward except for their own lives. Are you ready to step out of that painful job, not earning enough, and spending your life worrying? Most of us, even when we get things, we spend our lives worrying about losing them because we don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I'm going to tell you right now, you do control your destiny. And I'm going to offer you something right now that I did 5 years ago that has changed my life when I took charge of my life and decided I was not going to live it in fear or worry or stress anymore. And I knew we had options. I knew that we had technology and we were going into a new world, an amazing one that you can live in. Why? Because we have the tools to make our own choices, to create our own freedom, to dictate our own income. And it's not always going to be easy. This planet isn't an easy place to be on. We all know that, right? But what if you took charge like I did? I'm Landria, Onkka. You may have seen me on my popular YouTube channel or talk shows online. I went from a 25-year investment banking career, one that was very successful, but not satisfying me. I didn't resonate with that financial world. Can you relate to this? Are you going into a job you just don't connect with anymore? Do you know there's something else out there that you want to do with your life? I hope that you will consider joining me in using all of the tools that I offer, starting with what you do for a living. I quit everything and learned how to use technology to create an online business. I wanted to travel. I was a writer. I wanted to write books. I was doing the opposite of what I love to do for a living. You could probably relate to this, right? What you love is usually a hobby, not something you earn money doing. I learned how to use the internet. I saw an ad just like this, and I took that step into the unknown because I didn't know technology, but I knew that I could learn it. And I was open to that. I was open to changing my life and having somebody show me the way. I wasn't alone anymore. You see, I owned my own company, and I was the person in charge all the time, the go-to person. I didn't want to do that anymore. It was exhausting. And if you're a business owner, you can relate to this. The internet is changing lives, and you may have seen a lot of commercials out there, and it looks like scams or schemes. I'm going to tell you right now, there are good platforms out there. I know because I've been on one for 5 years. I've created multiple online businesses, doing what I love and helping other people. You see, everything I offer, I believe in and I promote to help people to get out of the matrix, to make those decisions to get out of what they're doing. Because unless you have a place to go to, well, you're going to try and be the responsible person and pay your bills, right? Well, what if you could learn something on the side that could help empower you, give you a voice, allow you to choose what you want to promote or sell or do, whether it's coaching or products or services. But what if you have none of that? It doesn't matter. You don't need your own products and services. And this platform will show you how and why, step by step. Mentors, trainers, and an amazing community of people like you and I who are stepping out of the matrix. It is time. Don't wait for a comet to hit the planet. Are you living your life to the fullest today? It's not about just going and making more money. It's about living a fulfilled life. You don't have to quit your day job, but maybe eventually you will, like I did. I became a best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie. I've published several more books, and I'm talking about the things I truly believe in. If you're interested in free information, just free, you can unsubscribe at any time. You can click somewhere here on the screen, and you'll get a workshop series every day coming into your inbox showing you what is an online business. How do you start? No business background required, no tech experience required. I had none. And guess what? You're not alone. We're not alone on this journey, and I'm here to tell you that people want you to succeed. There are a lot of people out there who care about one another and want to change this planet. I'm one of them, and I know you are too. Would you like to do good for the world, yourself, your family, flourish, be abundant, give messages out if that's what you want to do, or at least promote things that you care about and not things you're told you have to promote? If you're willing to put in the time, this is regular school, this is an education platform. If you're willing to learn something without going to night school or spending thousands of dollars on books and learning that's going to be outdated as soon as you walk out the door, that system doesn't work anymore. If you're willing to learn something new, come join us. Click here somewhere on the screen. If you don't like it, it's free, you unsubscribe. Isn't it worth looking into? Isn't it worth taking that step into a life that you truly want to live? People are doing it, and we have the tools for anybody to make that choice. I hope you'll join me. I will be there to mentor you personally. I want to see everyone succeed, and I'm not a trainer. I'm just here to make a difference on this planet. So if you're interested, click somewhere here on the screen, sign up for the email, check it out, and let's make a difference on this planet together for you, your family, your friends, your health, and your wealth. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you on the other side. Take care.